Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to explore the concept of the y-intercept. This is a fundamental concept in graphing linear equations that will help you understand how lines behave on a graph. So, what exactly is a y-intercept? Put simply, it is the precise point where a line crosses the vertical y-axis on a graph. You can think of it as the starting value of a relationship or function. Let's look at the coordinate plane. We have a horizontal line called the x-axis and a vertical line called the y-axis. The y-intercept always occurs somewhere along this vertical red line. It's the point where our graph meets this vertical boundary. Visually, it is very easy to spot. Look at the blue line on this graph. Follow it until it touches the vertical axis. The red dot you see here marks the y-intercept. It is literally where the line intercepts or intersects the y-axis. There is a golden rule in algebra for finding this point. At the y-intercept, the value of x is always 0. This is because to stay on the vertical line, you cannot move left or right. You must stay at the center where x equals 0. You will often see linear equations written in the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx+b. In this famous equation, the letter b represents the y-intercept. The m stands for slope, but b is where we start. Let's try a quick calculation. Suppose we have the equation y equals 2x plus 4. To find the y-intercept, we replace x with 0. 2 times 0 is 0, so we are left with y equals 4. Our y-intercept is 4. Intercepts aren't always positive. Sometimes, the line crosses below the horizontal x-axis. In this example, the line crosses at -3. This means our starting value is -3. To understand this in the real world, think of a taxi ride. Even before the car moves a single mile, you often have to pay a base fare just for getting in. That base cost is your y-intercept. It is the cost when the distance traveled is 0. To summarize, remember these key points. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the vertical axis. It represents the starting value when x is 0. In the equation y equals mx+b, it is the b value. Keep these in mind, and you will master graphing lines in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.